We are pleased to show you the 2017 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, xenon headlights, keyless entry, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panoramic moonroof. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.